Hi, my name is Johnny Muller, and my protein is cytochrome oxidase. And so now just a quick review of what that is. I suspect most of us know, but anyways, so cytochrome oxidase is a protein that sits within the mitochondrial electron chain. And of course, we know what the mitochondria is for. It um, it produces the ATP from glucose, so basically it provides us energy. And from what I've seen, any kind of deficiencies in the mitochondria are very serious illnesses, just because it's such an important um, part of the cell. And so the cytochrome oxidase, it sits within the electron chain, and it accepts electrons and converts uh, it converts elemental oxygen and turns it into two water molecules. And it also, of course, is within the chain, and it provides protons for ATP synthase, which produces the ATP, which is the molecule that is so important for our bodies because it's the transporter of chemical energy. Okay, anyways, so I'm a pre-med major, and I am interested by diseases and defects, and so the article I choose to talk about is called Defects in Cytochrome Oxidase Assembly in Humans, Lessons from Yeast. And it's written by Jennifer M.Z. and D. Mora Glirum, and they are from the University of Alberta. And the parts I like that I was going to include in my paper are regarding first off, um, uh, illnesses that are associated with either mutation of cytochrome oxidase are very, very serious. They cause many neuro degenerative diseases, um, which an example of a disease like that would be Huntington's chorea or Parkinson's. And so, one disease that results from a mutation in the DNA that encodes for cytochrome oxidase is what's called Leigh syndrome. And it is a very, very serious disease. It usually sets in within the first couple of years of a child's life, and it generally kills them within their first 10 years. And it causes a ton of different diseases, different symptoms and complications like ataxia, which is the lack of control. This is all resulting from Leigh syndrome. Um, and it can cause psychomotor retardation, uh, acidosis, and one of the other really, really serious illnesses that a mutation of these genes can cause is it's called hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and this is basically a hardening in a section of the heart. Well, it's not hardening. Sorry, it's a thickening in the section of the heart, and it can cause instant death in athletes and just anyone who exerts themselves. The scary thing about Leigh syndrome is that it can set in just about at any time. It doesn't have to set in at during childhood. It can set in during the adult years, and then once you are diagnosed with it, you only have a couple years to live. From what I've seen, there is no treatment for it. Thank you.